Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Asphalt Cowboys TV. What am I getting ready to do? Well, I'm getting ready to go jump ship and head over to the Heckin' Good Boys garage with Dave Nashwinter because he's got something special for us. You definitely don't want to miss this, so if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button because you're definitely going to want to see what we got in store. Lots of good things coming, so stay tuned. I'm going to get the old girl back out there. I just put plates on her. Gotta fix that, but should be charged up. Cummins Life. Let's see if we got a start. Sweet. Feels so good to be back in the truck. I haven't really been driving this much because I've been driving my winter beater around. What do you think about that banner? Should we even make new ones for this season or just rock the old ones? We have banners. Alright. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna have to move. Alright, I wasn't that far off. It's like the biggest guessing game for me to do when I'm by myself. I hate backing into this shit. I don't know why. Alright, we are on the road. Towards Heckin' Good Boys garage. Here we come. Alright, I had to make a little pit out of 79 because I forgot to put the fucking pin in. Jesus. Holy Christ, mate. Well, we're getting it in. For sure. Alright. I was literally thinking, what did I forget? And then, boom, it hits me. I forgot to put the pin.
Continue on I-79 south for 5 miles.
Scared the fuck out of me, bro.
We're gonna make it.
His neighbor must hate him.
I think our neighbors hate us too.
Our neighbors
But
really do.
we made it. So, COVID. COVID. Well, we've made it to the Heckin' Good Boys garage. So we're here with the man himself, Drift Daddy, Drift Dave Drift, Dave Nashwinter, the legend, the Drift King of Erie, maybe? I don't know, we might not go that far, but we're here, we made it, and if y'all thought we sold the S14, we didn't. We're caging it. Well, Dave's caging it. So, let's go see what's happening. So this is the measurements for the cage.
My TV I watch is true crime, and I think I've watched every episode over the last 20 years of every true crime episode ever produced.
You got her snug in here, boys.
Oh, so much.
Tom, you know how quick release, do you?
Nope. Quick releases are for sissies.
Yeah, until you're trying to weld under here.
I just keep looking for trucks.
Alright, so quick update. We've got the planted seat rails in, which I would probably, we're going to find out, but maybe not recommend, to buy with the Lomax in so that we can weld the harness bar at height for where I'll be sitting. And because these rails only came with one set of holes, we're going to drill our own because Dave can't even reach the pedals, so I'm definitely not going to be able to reach the pedals. So we're going to gingerly try to mark this out. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I feel like before my seat was cocked this way. Anyways, it literally was like this and like this. Alright, should I get out?
Do you like that height?
To go any lower?
We might, like, the adjustments
Fuck, I
go
should have
lower,
brought my helmet.
but I don't know if the seat will hit the floor.
Oh. So Dave's in here putting in the last beat, the last dime, as they would say in the welding world. So here's some corn for you. What?
I didn't weld under here on either one.
Wow.
See that?
We won't put that in the video.
Shit stinks.
Yeah, dude, real bad. It's all that paint.
I'll turn the welder back up to 7.
7? We're going back up, baby. Alright guys, I wanted to apologize because my phone did die while I was at Dave's last night, but we did get the car finished and we got it home. So here's me and Cory unloading the car. You'll see some funny things happen here. We want to thank you again for all your support and every one of our subscribers. If you aren't already, please smash the subscribe button. It helps us so much. Give us a like, and as always, we've got more great content coming your way, so please stay around. We love you. Have a good one. Peace.